Alright, now this is a typical secondary math solving question involving algebraic fractions. Solve the following equation. Now the first step is to make the denominators the same. So times 2 here, times 2 here. Now the denominators are both 4. We can combine these two fractions. So 2w minus, please put a bracket, 3w plus 2, close bracket, everything divided by 4 equals to 5. Negative 5 actually, right? Okay, and then we simplify the numerator. 2w minus 3w minus 2 over 4 is going to be equals to negative 5. Simplify once more. Negative w minus 2 over 4 is equals to negative 5. We do a cross multiplication. Negative w minus 2 equals to negative 20. Keep the w on one side. Negative w equals to negative 20 plus 2. Negative 2 goes over the equal sign, becomes a positive 2. Negative w equals to negative 18, and w is just gonna be 18. Final answer for this question.